didn't totally close the
flash flood warning for the following county: San Diego, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for coast and valley locations in central and southern San Diego County until 12:45 p.m. At 9:34 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated moderate to heavy rain expected across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 0.75 inches of rain have fallen in the past 3 hours. The expected rainfall rate is 0.4 to 0.6 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 0.75 inches, locally up to 1 inch, are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: dangerous flash flooding. Heavy rain producing areas of flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: dangerous flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chula Vista, El Cajon, National City, La Mesa, Poway, Imperial Beach, Coronado, Delaware,